Hello children, welcome you all to the maths class. I am Divya VP, your maths teacher. Dear children, we can do some practice questions today. All of you take page number 10 in your maths text. You can see Mendel maths there. We can discuss the questions given there. So what is the first question? The first question is, what is 1 less than 4 crore? What is the first question? What is 1 less than 4 crore? How we will get the answer? We want to subtract 1 from 4 crore. Then we will get the answer for that question. So all of you take your practice notebook and write 4 crore minus 1. So what we will get? The answer we are getting is 3 crore 99 lakh 99,999. All of you got it? Okay children, now all of you look at question 2. One number is given here. How to read that number? That is represented in International Place Value System. So we can check from right side. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So the number given is 90 million. What is the number given there? 90 million. So we can read the question. 90 million is one more than which number? 90 million is one more than which number? So what we want to find? We want to find the number just before 90 million. So how we can find that? We want to subtract 1 from 90 million. Then we will get the number before 90 million. It means the predecessor of 90 million. Actually, we want to find the predecessor of 90 million. So all of you write in your practice book 90 million minus 1. So what is the answer we are getting? 89,999,999. Okay, what is the answer we are getting? 89,999,999. Okay, now take question 3. All of you read question 3. What is 499 rounded to the nearest 1000? So we have already learned the rules how to round a number to its nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000 all. So what is the rule we want to follow when we are rounding a number to its nearest 1000? We want to check the last 3 digits. That means unit, tens and hundred digits forms a number that is greater than or equal to 500. When the number formed is greater than or equal to 500, we want to add 1 to its thousands place. Otherwise, we want to replace the last 3 digits by 0 and keep other digits as it is. That is the rule we already studied. Here the number given is 499. That is less than 500. So what is the answer we are getting? We will get 0. So 499 rounded to the nearest 1000 is 0. Now all of you read question 4. By how much is 4 crore 66 lakh 77,888 more than 4 crore 66 lakh 77,887? What we want to find here? We want to find the difference between the two numbers. We want to subtract the small number from the big number. So all of you take your practice notebook and write both the numbers and find the difference. What we are getting here? We will get 1. The answer we are getting is 1. That means 4 crore 66 lakh 77,888 is more than 4 crore 66 lakh 77,887 by 1. That is the answer we are getting. All of you understood? Okay children, now all of you read question 5. What is the successor of the greatest 7-digit number? So what is the successor of the greatest 7-digit number that we want to find? How to find the successor of a number? We can add 1 to that number. Then we will get the successor of that number. So what is the greatest 7-digit number? When you all of you write that number in your practice note, the number we are getting is 99,99,999. That is the greatest 7-digit number. And add 1 to it. What we will get? We are getting 1 crore. What is the answer we are getting? 1 crore. And that is the smallest 8-digit number. That all we have discussed in the previous classes. So what is the answer we are getting? When we add 1 to 99,99,999, we are getting 1 crore. That is the successor of the greatest 7-digit number. So what is the successor of greatest 7-digit number? It is 1 crore. All of you understood? Now all of you read question 6. How many lakhs is equal to 1 million? First we can write 1 million. Okay, how many zeros are there in 1 million? There are 6 zeros. Okay. The same number you write in your practice note and place the period according to Indian place value system. So what is the number we are getting? We can check from right side. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Is it clear to you? 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Okay children, now we can read question 7. Which is greater? 345 rounded to the nearest 10 or rounded to the nearest 100? First we can round 345 to its nearest 10. What is the rule we want to follow? We want to check whether its unit digit number is greater than or equal to 5. Here the unit digit number is 5. So we want to add 1 to its tens place number. So what is the answer we are getting? 350. Okay, all of you understood? Next, we want to round the same number into its nearest 100. So when we are rounding to nearest 100, we want to check the last 2 digits. Whether the last 2 digit forms the number greater than or equal to 50. If it is greater than or equal to 50, we want to add 1 to its hundreds place number and replace the last 2 digit by 0. Here what is the number we are getting? 345. The last 2 digits is 45. So 45 is less than 50. So we can't add 1 to hundreds place number. We want to replace the last 2 digit by 0 and retain other digits as it is. So what is the answer we are getting? It is 300. Is it clear to you? All of you read question 8. Which of these Roman numerals cannot be repeated? What are the numbers given here? I, V and X. I represents 1, V for 5 and X for 10. We already studied I can be repeated. 1 I means 1. 2 I together forms 2. 3 I together it is 3. And we know X also can be repeated. 1X means 10. 2X together forms 20. 3X together it is 30. So when we write V, it represents 5. But 2V together, there is no number. So that is meaningless. So which number that we cannot repeat is V. Is it clear to you? Okay. Okay children, now all of you read question 9. What is the sum of the place values of 6 in 6,78,216? All of you write that number in your practice note. The place value of one 6 is 6 lakh and the place value of other 6 is 6 itself. And you can add the two numbers. So what is the answer we are getting? When we add 6 lakhs plus 6, we are getting 6 lakh 6. So what is the answer? 6 lakh 6. So 6 lakh 6 is the sum of the place values of 6 in 6,78,216. Is it clear to you? Okay. Okay children, I am winding up this session here. I hope all of you understood what all we have discussed today. Thank you. See you in next class.